Apply for a free boiler grant on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com. Did you know that if you are in receipt of certain benefits, or over 60 and receiving benefits and living in your own home, or in private rented property, you could be able to apply for a free government grant to update your old boiler? Yes, that's right. The UK government free boiler grant scheme of 2016 is still available. Have you applied yet? If your boiler is not working, inefficient, or more than 5 years old, you could qualify for a free replacement boiler. Let us assist you with your application. Simply fill in the no obligation form on our website. Apply today on our website at